Welcome back to USA World, where we post the latest news. Before watching this video, please like and subscribe for new updates. Former President Donald Trump is on trial in New York in a $370 million civil lawsuit that could alter the personal fortune and real estate empire that helped propel Trump to the White House. Trump, his sons Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr., and other top Trump Organization executives are accused by New York Attorney General Letitia James of engaging in a decade-long scheme in which they used numerous acts of fraud and misrepresentation to inflate Trump's net worth in order to get more favorable loan terms. The trial comes after the judge in the case ruled in a partial summary judgment that Trump had submitted fraudulent valuations for his assets, leaving the trial to determine additional actions and what penalty, if any, the defendants should receive. The former president has denied all wrongdoing, and his attorneys have argued that Trump's alleged inflated valuations were a product of his business skill. Judge Arthur Engoron fired back at defense lawyers Thursday regarding former Trump Organization CFO Allen Weisselberg, who was allegedly engaged in plea talks with the Manhattan DA's office to resolve a potential perjury charge. Engoron had asked the lawyers in the case for information on Weisselberg's potential guilty plea, based on reporting from the New York Times. One of the defense lawyers responded by characterizing the request as unprecedented, inappropriate, and troubling. Arguing against judicial notice is attacking a straw person, as I have not taken, do not plan to take, and did not suggest or hint that I would take judicial notice of the subject New York Times article or the contents thereof, Engoron wrote in an email posted to the court's docket. However, Engoron vowed that he would research and consider the issue if Weisselberg, a defendant in the fraud case, pleads guilty to perjury before Engoron issues his final ruling in the case. I am not reopening the case, but if someone pleads guilty to committing perjury in a case over which I am presiding, I want to know about it, Engoron said, adding that he reached out to Weisselberg's attorney for more information. You and your co-counsel have been questioning my impartiality since the early days of this case, presumably because I sometimes rule against your clients, Engoron wrote. That whole approach is getting old.